Alright guys, new place in town called The Bar. I was recently here. We're changing all their locks to match the front door. They called me and said that the front door inside or whatever doesn't work anymore and they have to take a little bit in. So that's what I'm here to do. This door I actually didn't mess with. This is a new door that was put in from it. Anyway, you can already tell what's going on with it. It's turned the wrong way. Yep. There you go. You can see it now. Turn it on there. So I'm gonna basically turn it back the right way. Yeah. What's that? Oh, you're fine. Yep. Yep. I'll straighten it out. Thanks. Bye. It looks like it strips. So we'll see if we can get it to turn a couple times. And it is turning, so nice and tight. That's fixed. We'll just tighten it down now. Make sure it doesn't move. Yeah, that's it. Alright, let's gotta go in there and figure out who to charge. Alright, just to try the key out. There we go, we're all done. I was trying to get it on my camera again because I don't know how. I have a YouTube channel, so I was filming the place last time I was there. Check this place out, it's pretty cool, The Bar, Pennsylvania. Check it out guys, check it out.